Hi guys, come with us on a family zoo date. Like, a girl was feeling herself and the boys are feeling each other. They're just so sweet. Like, just look at them. So we arrived at the zoo and they've been asking us to go to the zoo like every single day. Like, they've been there so many times before. Unlike me, who really didn't grow up like going to the zoo and stuff. I know friends who like lived at the zoo. I didn't. So this was an experience for me as well, and it was just a great day with family. Like, we saw the lions and stuff. Like, he was the most anticipated animal there, but he didn't do a thing. We also saw the monkeys and these huge snakes. Like, they're so scary. We saw some tortoise, and they're not as slow as people make them out to be, trust me. So by this time it was lunchtime, and as you can see, Bossy having money because he's ready to buy food. Like, he's literally a foodie like mommy, like duh, come on. So we had like burgers and fries and hot dogs and stuff, and then we headed to the playground. Like, listen, if these boys could